Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time being here, hello, my name is Oge. So in today's video we'll be talking about how you can create the best or perfect morning routine for you, just you. So we all know that morning routines are very important. They help you get ready for the day, they help you feel productive, they kind of set your tone for the day, and they are something we all have to incorporate in our daily lives. So everybody's morning routine is definitely going to be different depending on your style, your career, the kind of person you are. So for example, a mom of two or three, or a mom generally, her morning routine is definitely going to be different from a single girl like me, because the mom have kids, maybe they even go to school, so she has to wake up early, get them ready for school. Unlike me, I work a 9 to 5 job, so I just have to wake up just for myself, take my time, prepare and go to go to work or school, depending on what you do. So that's why everybody's routine is going to be different. And when it has to do with routine, there's no one size fits all. You just have to make a routine that works for you. There's no pressure, nothing. So for me, I feel like morning routines are going to differ day by day, because I know that there's some days I wake up and I feel like I don't even feel like doing anything. So on those kind of days, I feel like you should make your routine a little bit easier on you. Your routine can be flexible. There are some things that you always do, but there are some things that for days you don't feel that good, or you're on your lowest point, you can also do. So let's go straight to things that can help you create a good morning routine. So first up is time. Your time. So what time does it take you to prepare or get ready for your day? To get ready for school, get ready for work, or whatever you do. So let's say you work a 9 to 5 job and it takes you 30 minutes to get to work, and maybe you work out, that's another 30 minutes, that's like an hour, and maybe before you get ready, you wake up, do all the things you have to do, it's already 2 hours. So with that, you have to wake up, and let's say you wake up by 6:30, 6:30, so you have 2 hours, that's by 8 o'clock, to get ready, do all the things you have to do on your morning before you go to work, or before you go to school, or before you start your day. So you always have to calculate the time you have. Timing is very important. When you have to do these morning routines, I feel like some days I feel like I want my morning routines to be slow, no pressure, I'm not rushing, because I feel like when you rush, what's the need? Like, I feel like morning routines, you should take your time. Maybe you have to wake up a bit earlier, but if you don't have to, there's no pressure. You don't need to wake up by 5 o'clock. I always say this, you must know there's no magic to waking up by 5 o'clock. You shouldn't feel pressure because everybody online says wake up by 5 o'clock, then you have to wake up by 5 o'clock. There is no magical moment waking up by 5 o'clock. Look at what works best for you. Everybody's body is different, so look at what works best for you. So after your timing, the next thing you should look at, you should write down your to do a night before. Watch my video about sleeping better. I'm going to drop it in the description box or in the cards here. You know that I always say that try and write your to-do list a night before the next day, so that it helps you prepare for the day. So that when you wake up, you already know like things you have to do, like they're already stated out for you. You're not thinking. Or if you don't like writing it in the morning, when you wake up, some few minutes out of your morning routine and write out the things you have to do for the day. This will help to be productive for the day. You already know, okay, these are my set goals for this day, this is how I have to do them, this and this and this, and you can pick up 3 important things you have to do for that day. Then when you do those ones, every other thing you can do or you cannot do. So I prefer writing my to-do list a night before this, so that I can sleep better. Next one is plan breakfast. If you're like me, that I really don't eat breakfast, so most of the time I eat my first meal for the day is by 11. This is something that can delay you, especially if you're someone that goes to work. Maybe you're thinking of what to eat, or if you have children, that's another thing. You have to plan your breakfast so you don't keep repeating meals for them. So you always have to do, okay, if you're taking cereal for the day, that's why I say you have to write your to do a night before. So if you're taking cereals for the next morning, I'm taking cereals. So when you wake up, you're not thinking of, hey, what do I have to eat? You already know you're taking cereals. If you're doing avocado toast, whatever you're doing, you already know that, oh, okay, I already have what to eat. I'm not bothered about what I'm eating. Another good thing is meal prepping. If you meal prep every week, you already know what you're eating in the morning, so you're organized for the morning. Another thing or things you should do to help you get a good morning routine is picking your clothes before the morning, because I found myself trying to find clothes that I'm going to wear for the day, and before you know, 30 minutes is gone and I'm still looking for clothes. This one happens to my sister all the time. Like, I always tell her, pick out the clothes you have to wear before it's morning, because you're rushing to work, so you also want to add looking for clothes to your problems. So what you should do is always try and pick out your clothes for the next day at night, so that the next morning when you wake up, it makes your routine easier. You don't have to start thinking of, I have to pick clothes, or you start scattering all your things. No. So another thing is add things you love. You look forward to your morning routines when you're doing things you love. Yes. So let's say you love coffee. You cannot wait for the morning because you want to make a cup of coffee. Most mornings I take lemon water. So when I wake up, I cut my lemon, put it in water, drink it, and I'm happy about it. If you love reading, you can read in the morning. You should also add things like meditation, prayer. If you're someone that meditates, you can meditate. If you're someone that prays, you pray. Those are anything you like doing in the morning. It's very important you add it to your routine. So it makes you happy. It even makes you want to wake up in the morning because you're looking forward to it. Have like a 10 minutes of cleaning. You don't want to go about your day, come back and your home is messed up. So every morning before you leave the house, or even if you are home, even if you work from home, every morning just take like 10 minutes, just pick up your things, pick up things around the house, do a quick sweep, just a quick arranging. You find out that you feel a bit more relaxed for the day. And if you're someone that works 9 to 5, by the time you go out and you come back, you see that your home is neat, it's clean. You don't have to even stress yourself. That is very, very important. That is one thing I always do. Once I wake up in the morning, I make my bed in my house, because those are things that can help you feel relaxed, like you make your mornings look good. Another thing is to try exercising. No matter how small, try exercising. If you're someone that likes serious exercise, you can go for that. I know that Chloe thinks she does a lot of exercises. I'll keep her YouTube channel down. You can do at home exercises. If you're someone that likes taking a walk, you can take a walk. Just something to keep you active. I'm a very lazy person, I'm not going to lie, but I want to try as much as possible just to do at home exercise, just like some stretches or yoga, just something to keep me busy for the day. That is a very, very good thing to incorporate in your morning routine. Another thing is taking water. We all know that water is very, very important for us. So always take water. Sorry, like first thing in the morning, take water. First thing in the morning, take water. Water is very, very important. Another thing is making your bed. We know that making your bed, and everybody knows about this one. I'm not sure there's anybody on the surface of the earth that doesn't know that making your bed is so important. For me, I feel like making your bed is just like, oh, my day, I'm ready for you. Who say that's the first work you do in a day? Like, you feel like you've checked out one to do. That's making your bed. And I always make my bed. Making my bed, anytime I make my bed, it feels like my room is put together. So another good thing you should add to your morning routine is getting dressed. Like, always try to have your shower, get dressed for the day. It is very important because you cannot wake up in a PJ and be running around in a PJ throughout the day. I don't even see how that is going to make you feel motivated. But by the time you have a shower and you change, you get dressed, you make up, I feel like it's going to even make you feel motivated for the day and you really want to get your day going. So that's another very important thing. Get up, get dressed, make up, put on some makeup, look cute, spray your nice perfume, set your home or get ready for the day. If you say most of these things, if you're a 9 to 5 person, if you don't even have to, nobody will tell you to get dressed. You will rush and get dressed so you get to work. That's it, guys, for this video. If there are other things you would like to add to your morning routine, feel free to add them to your routine. But these are some of the things I feel that are important and you can add to your routine to make it good for you. So I'll be filming my morning routine video. So if you want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. Thank you guys for watching this video and hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.